What is entrepreneurship? 10 shared characteristics of entrepreneurs. When people hear the word entrepreneur, they often think of startups, tech founders, or billionaires. But entrepreneurship is much broader than that. At its core, entrepreneurship is the process of identifying problems, creating solutions, and taking calculated risks to deliver value, often under conditions of uncertainty. Entrepreneurs don't just start businesses. They create new ways of doing things. And after studying entrepreneurs across industries for years, researchers and business scholars consistently find shared characteristics that show up again and again. Today, I want to walk you through 10 traits that successful entrepreneurs tend to share. Not myths, it's not stereotypes, but patterns backed by research and real-world observation. 1. Opportunity recognition. Entrepreneurs are exceptionally good at spotting opportunities where others see problems. If most people complain about inefficiency, an entrepreneur asks, "How could this be done better?" This doesn't mean they're geniuses. It means they're observant, curious, and constantly asking questions about how value is created. 2. Comfort with uncertainty. Entrepreneurship is inherently uncertain. There are no guaranteed outcomes, no fixed paths, and no perfect information. Entrepreneurs aren't fearless, but they are comfortable making decisions without complete certainty. Something many people find deeply uncomfortable. 3. Bias toward action. Entrepreneurs act. They test ideas, launch experiments, and learn by doing rather than waiting for perfect conditions. If you wait for clarity, certainty, or permission, entrepreneurship will never start. For resilience and persistence, failure is not an exception in entrepreneurship. It's part of the process. What separates entrepreneurs is not avoiding failure, but recovering quickly and continuing forward. They adapt, adjust, and persist when others stop. 5. Strong internal locus of control. Entrepreneurs tend to believe that their actions influence outcomes. Instead of blaming the market, the economy, or other people, they ask, "What can I change?" This mindset creates accountability and progress. 6. Willingness to take calculated risks. Entrepreneurs are not reckless gamblers. They evaluate risk, reduce it where possible, and then move forward when the upside justifies the downside. They understand that doing nothing is often riskier than acting. 7. Resourcefulness over resources. Most entrepreneurs do not start with abundant capital, connections, or advantages. Instead, they are resourceful, using what they have to create what they need. Constraints don't stop them. They force creativity. 8. Customer and value-focused. Successful entrepreneurs are obsessed with value creation. They ask, "Who am I helping? What problem am I solving? Why would someone choose this?" Profit follows value, not the other way around. 9. Learning orientation. Entrepreneurs are continuous learners. They seek feedback, study mistakes, and adapt quickly. Markets change, technology evolves. Customers shift. Entrepreneurs who stop learning fall behind. 10. Vision combined with execution. Finally, entrepreneurs combine vision with execution. Ideas alone are worthless without action. Execution without direction leads nowhere. Entrepreneurs connect the two, imagining something better than building it step by step. Conclusion: entrepreneurship is not about personality type, age, or background. It's about behavior, mindset, and decision-making under uncertainty. Not every entrepreneur has all 10 traits at the start, but the good news is that most of these characteristics can be developed. Entrepreneurship isn't reserved for a select few. It's a skill set, and like any skill, it improves with practice. And that's what makes entrepreneurship so powerful.